Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have absolutely zero idea what I'm gonna do because I've already filmed 2 videos today for them to be absolute complete fails. I started off by making a back plush and it turned out absolutely ridiculously horribly wrong. I've already deleted all the footage, so that one definitely is not going up anywhere. I then decided, right, I'm going to go back to what I know, got to do something I'm super comfortable with. I've got some pumpkins here, like the pumpkin squishes that I bought from Banggood, you know, the other day, the 3 set for £2 something. I was like, right, I'm going to redeco those, it's going to be great. Well, it wasn't either, and they're currently over there on my floor looking an absolute state. So I was going to give up. I was like, that's it, my video has to go up in an hour, I can't do one today, it's just, you know, not in the universe for me to do one. But then I went outside, I cleaned up my backyard, I was like, right, doing what I'm doing, you know, I was picking up some dog poop and I was cleaning it, and I cleaned out my bathroom outside because I have an old house and there's a bathroom outside as well as inside, so that's not the point. I was in my kitchen then, putting all my cleaning supplies away underneath the sink, and then I looked at the fireplace in the kitchen. I was like, look at those pumpkins over there. They could do with cute faces on. I actually have some spare. My mum bought these for me quite a while ago actually, but I have some on my coffee table, I have some on my fireplace, but I really like the orange ones, and there's some green and brown ones in there that just need cutening it up, and I can use them in this room. So that's exactly what I'm going to do today for you. I hope you don't mind, but I figured it was better for me to do something quick and fun and that I'm going to use, and not, well, rather than not give you a video at all. So yeah, let's just get straight on into it. By the way, for anyone wondering, here's what my pumpkins turned out like this morning. Absolutely atrocious. Just look at this. I've just left it in there because I'm just so fed up with it. I started painting this one brown. Just looks atrocious. Absolutely atrocious. And this one over here, I tried painting white as well. And just look at what just kept happening. So these are going to go in the bin, and that's that. Bye-bye. So these are the pumpkins that I was talking about. As you can see, there's like some green ones in here. Like, I don't have any green in my house, so I figured these would be the perfect ones to kind of like just give a spruce up. I'm thinking of spray painting them. I think it would look super cute. Spray painting them, putting a cute face on them. I could just paint them with acrylic, but I don't know, I think spray painting them would be nice. So I've got the darker green one and I've got a lighter green one. Wow. My camera is looking so bright right now. I wonder if this is going to look really bright when I go to edit it, but yeah, I've got these ones. Maybe I'll do 3. I like to do 3 of everything. No, I'm just going to do 2. I usually like to do 3 of everything, but I'm going to do 2 today because we don't have that much time to get this video up in time. Also, let me know if these are appearing green on camera. A lot of people have been saying that my greens look yellow. So whenever I say green, people call me out and say, that's not green, you idiot, you must be colourblind, blah, 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 blah. But in real life, to me, it's green, but then on camera it shows up yellow. So I don't know what the deal is for that, but these are the 2 I'm going to go for, dark green, light green. Let's go. Okay, so now I'm out in my shed. I've just kind of put some cardboard down because here's my beautiful floor and I don't want to ruin it. So I put some cardboard down, and here are my pumpkins. They're kind of like little like funny boobs or something. But I've taken some white spray paint out of my cupboard, as well as some white gold metallic, because I think they both sound quite nice and I think they would look nice together. So I'm just going to spray paint these little bad boys in those colours. As you could probably tell, I'm not the best at spray painting, but the first layer is completely dry. This one here didn't come out quite as I expected, like it came out quite watery, but it has made a really nice coverage because I did put a thick layer on it and I left it to dry for about 20 minutes, so it's all okay. I'm just gonna move my cardboard. I'm just gonna pop them up on their sides, just like so. And then I'm just gonna spray paint them once more, just like this. Oh, are you okay? Okay, so now that they are dry, as you can see, nice and dry, I'm just going to paint some cute faces on there, just using some acrylic paint. I haven't washed out my paint palette because I'm keeping it real here today, but I've just got some black, some pink and some white acrylic paint just popped out with this tiny weeny little paintbrush. I'm just gonna listen and watch some YouTube while I do this. I'm gonna be watching a Target walk around kind of video because I don't know about anyone else, but do you love watching like people walking around stores not in your country? Like, I wonder if people ever watch like Tesco's or like come to Alster with me or something like that. Like, I wonder, I really do wonder. But anyway, I'm just gonna do that and I'm gonna paint faces on them so you can watch me do that with some music. So now the cutie faces are completely dry. I think these are totally adorable and they're just gonna like sit like this, just like little buddies on my shelf. I just think they are so cute. I'm really happy with how these actually turned out. To be honest, this is like the only thing today that hasn't failed. I am going to put a couple coats of clear lacquer on them just to make them a bit shinier because they look a bit dull, almost like little garlics. I think they look like garlics, but you know, I think they're super cute and yeah, I'm really happy with how they turned out. I do apologize for this kind of really weird video style, but I've kind of really enjoyed myself actually, like honestly just dotting around my house, picking up bits here, there and everywhere, going out on my shed and taking you with me. I really enjoyed it, so let me know what you think of it down in the description down below, even though I didn't really do much apart from these little guys. But anyway, I hope you all have a fantastic day. Let me know what you're up to. I would love to know. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow for another video. Again, no idea what I'm gonna do. Might be a massive fail, might be a success, but I will see you tomorrow. Bye.